In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for paraphrasing text quickly and easily. This is helpful when you want to rewrite sentences while keeping the original meaning. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you?" Now I'll paste or type the text that I want to paraphrase. After adding the text, I'll type a prompt like, "Paraphrase this text while keeping the original meaning." Then I'll click the send button. Claude will analyze the text and generate a paraphrased version with different wording but the same overall meaning. If I want a specific style, I can also ask Claude to simplify the wording, make it more formal, or make it easier to understand. For example, I might type, "Paraphrase this text in simpler language." Once Claude generates the paraphrased version, I can copy the rewritten text and use it in my document, article, or project. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to paraphrase text. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.